Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ecom Global. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important topics for advertisers, how to keep your TikTok ads account safe in 2025. Because let's be honest, nothing is more frustrating than setting up your campaigns, putting in money, and suddenly seeing that dreaded red banner saying, "Your account has been suspended." This is happening to thousands of people every single day. But the truth is, most of these suspensions could be avoided if you follow the right practices. So let's go through some of the key things you need to do to keep your TikTok ads account safe this year. First, follow TikTok's ad policies strictly. A lot of advertisers lose accounts because they try to promote products that are restricted, like supplements, medical products, or even certain financial services. Always double-check TikTok's policy list. If you're unsure whether your product is safe or not, it's better to confirm first instead of risking your account. Second, use clean creatives and landing pages. TikTok is very strict about misleading ads. Don't overpromise results, don't use fake claims like lose 10 kilograms in a week, and make sure your landing page matches what your ad shows. If TikTok detects mismatches, they will flag you. Third, billing and payment method. Believe it or not, many suspensions happen because of payment issues, using unverified cards, virtual cards from weak providers, or mismatched billing details can trigger red flags. Always make sure your billing information is clean and consistent. Fourth, warm up your account. Don't create a new TikTok ads account today and try to run thousands of dollars in ads tomorrow. That will get you banned instantly. Start small, run light campaigns, build trust, and then scale gradually. TikTok wants to see consistent, natural spending behavior. Fifth, and very important, avoid multiple policy violations. Even if your first ad gets disapproved, don't just try again and again with small edits. Too many rejections in a row can lead to permanent suspension. Instead, fix the root issue or create new clean creatives. Now here's the reality. Even if you follow all these steps, TikTok is still very unpredictable. Their system can suspend accounts unfairly, sometimes for no clear reason. And once your account is suspended, appeals don't always work. That's why many smart advertisers now use strong agency-level accounts that are safer, more reliable, and come with proper support. And this is where we come in. At Ecom Global, we provide safe TikTok ads accounts that are much stronger than the regular ones you create yourself. These accounts are verified, pre-checked, and built to reduce the risk of suspension. So if you're tired of losing accounts, tired of wasting money, and you want a safe setup to run your TikTok ads without fear, then contact us directly on WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to reach us, and we'll guide you personally on getting a strong account that will keep your campaigns running smoothly. To wrap it up, yes, you can keep your TikTok ads account safe by following all the right steps: clean products, clean creatives, proper billing, and gradual scaling. But if you want to be 100% confident and avoid the headache of random bans, the best solution is to use a safe account from Ecom Global. So don't wait until your account gets suspended again. Send us a message on WhatsApp right now and let's set up a secure TikTok ads account for you today.